Hi mga ka-BG, good day to all of you, good morning. Please allow me to share my quick short story about my BG wonderful journey. Okay, first of all, I joined sometime January 6, that was 11 p.m. Paalis na sana kami noon to have a short vacation after all the years of labor. And then after a month, while on the trip and some other activities, we were actually learning with my wife. I am trading. So along that line, I was natututo ako, pumapasok ako sa Bonchat. There were days that nights, I had so many sleepless nights. I don't know if that was part of the excitement kasi lumalaki, nag-build up yung trading ko, yung trading assets that we call it. And then after a month, I feel I'm really ready. So that's where I started to do the dynamic returns. Diba yung kasing una na tinuruan tayo, yung first muna is trading tayo, we earn from the trading. I got stuck to it, but eventually I was really enjoying, but I said, why not try dynamic returns? And after that, just February 5, na-promote ako kaagad to level 1. And that's where the excitement really started to, get to, tumaas ang excitement ko. I started to strategize and I started to build. So hindi pa ako nag 2 months noon, level 2 na ako. And I got people under me, that's 25 or more than 30, 36 na ata I remember. So I got promoted to level 2. So today is my more than 3 months, and after 2 months actually, we test withdraw just to really feel that we can really withdraw because I understand ito lagi yung mga concerns natin. Ano ngayon kung lumalaki yung trading mo, nagdadoble yung asset mo, makaka-withdraw ka ba? Because that's always the question. So when I test withdraw, $100, I remember, sa CoinPH ko, and boom, that happened. That was successful. And then, as we usher in on the 3rd month, I feel mas magaan for me to withdraw sa GCash. Kasi ang maganda sa GCash ngayon, if you scroll it down, makikita mo may GCrypto. And I was so excited. All of you, most of you here, watching this video, gumagamit kayo ng GCash. Using it for everyday transactions, right? Bayad dito, minsan kung ano-ano, load and all. So it's really more convenient for me kung yung account ko papasok sa GCash. And after that, pagpasok niya ng GCash, that was last week. Today is April 11. Just last week, boom, another $100. Ang USDT actually, ang nasa loob ngayon ng GCrypto ko. Under USDT Tron. Napaka-exact talaga because we're using USDT Tron and Ethereum, which is ERC20. And today, more than 3 months, guys, I am going to do my biggest withdrawal. Please allow me to flex. Ayoko magmayabang, but I just want to inspire all of you that I'm going to execute my biggest withdrawal. And this is another highlight for me in so far as BG Journey is concerned. Tara, samahan niyo ako.